Who's getting nippy outside? Alright. Let's check it out. Could this be my new home? We shall see. I think for the price that he wants, I don't know, buddy. Big old living room. Oh, that's what I seen. Back it up, Chica. That's what I seen in the MLS. Let me go right back around to the kitchen. Okay, so we got one full bath down here. We got a cute little closet. Situation. Okay, let's go out this way. Oh, so this is like a room, I'm guessing. Maybe an office. Oh, is there a light in here? Okay, so just a plain old room. Let's check out the upstairs. Oh, baseboard heating is already a no. It's not that I don't like it, it's that it's a weird closet. People want too much. It's 34 bedrooms, but people want too much money for these properties. No, it's a one family. People want too much money for their properties. It's a double closet, but these people are crazy on the prices that they want. So this is the master bedroom, and this is a double closet situation. I saw it's not really normal, but nevertheless, it's a double closet situation. To tell you the truth, this baseboard heating is a real turn off. This place is huge. Another closet. This is another closet. It's a mother-daughter en suite. The lights are very dull. big. Some lights are missing. It's a little dark. Turn off these lights. While it's a big house, folks, it's a no-go for me. It's a big old showpiece, but it just doesn't have that appeal for me. So the search continues. The search continues.